This is Chef JJ at Lumi restaurant. I'm gonna show you how to process the Leche de Tigre using the fish scraps, using the Vitamix, the quiet one. So when we get a sea bass in, we take the fins off. We use the sukibiki technique to scale the fish. The only reason why we do that is we don't want to break down the cells, and all those scales not all over the place, so it's nice and clean on the station. And once that's all done, we fillet out the fish from the belly to back to belly. There will be always a trim part that we can use at the sushi bar. So we don't want to waste them, but also we want to have a good presentation for the sushi bar, so it goes into the sauce, so we don't waste anything. So the reason why we add the fish scraps inside the sauce is because the sauce needs to have a body to call it to a Leche de Tigre. It's creamy sauce, so that's why when we put the fish scraps in there, it's nice and creamy. We're gonna add the rocoto chili, celery, onion, garlic, ginger, fish scraps, and we're gonna blend it with the lime juice. We are the open space rooftop restaurant. We have an open space of sushi bar and a bar that we serve the guests. So this quiet one from the Vitamix is a perfect equipment that we can use without making any noise for the bar and the sushi chefs. So once we blend it, we add the ice to bring down the temperature. To finish up the plate, I played up with sweet potato mousse, sea bass from Pacifico Aquaculture, the Leche de Tigre, ice plant, and peachy berries. So that's how I use the Vitamix, the quiet one at the sushi bar and the bar.